My name is Sarah Rivet. I'm from the Albany area. I graduated from Shenendehowa High School, and I am currently in the Forensic Science Department. I chose Alfred State specifically because it had a really good track program with a coach that I was really interested in being under. I chose also for the forensics program, which is an accredited program, and it's a very pristine program. Like, you learn a lot, you get a lot out of it. It really prepares you for the workforce. Honestly, the professors are probably my favorite thing. They are just so personable and they're super knowledgeable at what they do, and they're always there to help you. So even if you're struggling in one particular class that might not be their area of expertise, they will learn it for you and they will help you. They just have like a good head on their shoulders, and they really make the program. Like, without them, there wouldn't be a forensics program. I really feel like our labs are thorough. They have all the equipment that we need. So we have a lot of state-of-the-art equipment that we use, which is really imperative for the learning. Everything's just thorough. Like, you learn a lot and you get a lot of experience in every aspect, so it really sets you up for a good workforce. Your faculty really get to know you, which is awesome. Same thing with the coaches. They're their coaches, but they're also your friends. Like, that's a huge part of it, is that people here really care about each other. Everyone's here to build each other up and to move forward in your life as a pioneer. Whether it's on the track or in the classroom, Alfred State has helped me get through all of life's hurdles.
Hit the ground running, hit the ground running.